endpoint operations lead for Amgen, which is a biotech company that specializes in cancer and inflammation treatments. We needed to do things faster, better, and of course, less expensive or cheaper. And so we had to find a way to move to modern management and take back people's old devices and give them their new device and let them work immediately. Druva was really appealing to Amgen and to my team. It's a SaaS solution which allowed us to get to the end goal faster, which is the self-service restore and recovery. We didn't have to worry about building out storage in each of the data centers that Druva leverages. We utilize the AWS platform quite a bit, both from Amazon S3 storage, data analytic tools, and so on. We also built a ransomware recovery process, which involved Druva, right? So being able to wipe and load a device that was infected by ransomware within hours and have the user back with their core applications and with their files and settings restored was critical. It has retired our technical debt, all the SAN storage and the software licenses from a backup point of view of the endpoint devices, as well as making it faster for users to self-serve and recover their files, reducing calls to the service desk and escalations up into my team, which is great from a cost point of view and a user experience point of view.